So I will show you the step by step to make the visualization in Tableau. How do you call it? The network map or distribution map or web map, anything. It will show you the source of your state or city and the distribution for to the destination, to the state or city that you have. Okay, so the first thing to do is preparing the data. I have this data. Yeah, I have 8 columns for this data. ID, the origin, the state, and then the latitude and longitude, the coordinates of the origin state, and then the destination, and the coordinates, the latitude and longitude, and also the value. The value can be anything that you will show. Okay, don't forget to save the data into the CSV files. Okay, let's create the new file in Tableau. Yeah, okay. So let's connect the data, the text file, the network map data, and then make sure all of the data types is already right. Okay, the origin should be, the origin is the state, origin latitude, origin longitude, destination, state, latitude, longitude, value. Seems good. And then go to the worksheet. Before showing the visualization, we have to prepare 3 calculated fields. The first one is origin point, using the function of make point in Tableau. From the origin latitude, comma, origin longitude. And then the second calculated field is the destination point. Same thing, make point from the destination latitude to the destination longitude. Okay, then the last one, create the path or the network using the make line function from the origin point into the destination point. Yeah, and then just double click. Yeah, this is the path of the network from the Washington and also the New York. For this time, I will only use the origin from the Washington. Okay, and you can also show the filter, so you can just change it easily which one you want to show in your visualization. Okay, you can also change the background maps into the dark version, something like this. Okay, and then for the value, you can just drag it into the color. Okay, sorry. You have to, yeah, for the origin, you add it into the details and the destination as the label, and then you just input the value into the colors. Yeah. Okay. This is the color of the value, and it shows the legend. For the value, you can change your data into the sum or average or median or count or anything that available here, based on your goal or objective. For this time, I will only just use the sum. and I will change the color using the green gold palette. Apply. So the yellow represent the low value and the green represent the high value. You can change to anything that you like. And for the second visualization, I want to beside the line or the network, I will show the bubble or the circle to show the value. You can duplicate this longitude using the command in Mac or the control in Windows. Just press the button and also drag using the left click of your mouse. Oops. Yeah, okay. So you will have this visualization, two visualization in your screen, and we go to the second visualization. I will remove some of the visualization here. Don't forget to change the unknown using this. Make sure it's in the right country. United States. Okay. So you have the destination. It's still in the circle. And I want to show the value as the color and also as the size. Yeah. So it will show the bigger circle and the greener circle if the value are higher. Okay, the last thing is you can just combine those two using the dual axis. Okay, and then you will have your network map or web map as you wish to show the distribution and the line and also the circle. Okay, that's all for this time. Thank you, and don't forget to use your own data in your Tableau. Bye.